Hi friends, Allie from Allie's Cups here, and I just want to take you through kind of a mini unboxing of these new Bibles that I got. So I got 4 new journaling Bibles, and I'm super excited about these. I'm saving up right now for the new Illustrated Faith Bible, which is huge, but in the meantime, I had a couple projects that I wanted a couple of new Bibles for, and Christian Book had a really great sale, and I think a lot of their Bibles are still on sale, but I got all 4 of these Bibles for less than $50. So I think that was a really great deal. So I'm going to show you what I got and kind of what I have planned for each of these. So these came in a really big box. Otherwise I would do kind of an unboxing, but and for all of these, I'm not in love with all of the covers, but they were like $10.99 each. So I figured that is worth it to be able to do, like make a cover or buy a cover from someone off of Etsy or something like that. So I'm not a huge fan of red, but I still think it was worth it. So this is a single column journaling Bible, and I just wanted to kind of try out the single column aspect. And so it still has the same size margins as my other journaling Bible. But I really like the single column. It makes it a little bit easier to highlight verses, and I think that it will allow me to kind of dive deeper into each of these verses without feeling like, you know, with a 2-column one, more verses get on the page, and so I feel like there's a lot of times where I've already journaled a verse on the page already. So I'm super excited for this. So that is a single column journaling Bible. And again, even this is leather and these are leather, but not in love with this cover. So I'm probably going to either make my own or buy a cover. So if you have a favorite Etsy shop or anything that makes covers, like just the fabric ones, please be sure to link me below. So the next one, I actually like this cover. So this is journaling Bible, just a normal one, the 2-column. Haven't decided if I'm going to use this one for actually like the artist journaling Bible kind of thing, or if I'm going to do, I've been exploring a lot with like verse mapping, and so I wanted a new journaling Bible for that, so I can kind of highlight verses, go a lot deeper in them, and have it just be writings, going deeper into things, journaling my thoughts, kind of almost a diary of sorts, but with a Bible. So that's kind of some of the things I'm doing. So just want another 2-column journaling Bible. Again, I do actually like this cover with the fruits, but the white is probably going to get really dirty, so I'll probably end up getting a cover for that as well. But I thought it was cute. And then the next one, so I love this yellow, and this yellow is just one of my all-time favorite colors. So again, just the 2-column. I haven't decided if I'm going to use this for the verse mapping or my like artsy glue stuff in, that kind of thing, but I figured more Bibles the merrier, right? And if I have options, that's fantastic. And then again, another single column journaling Bible, because I wanted just a little bit of variety. And I love, again, this is that yellow. It's a little bit more orange than yellow, but with the polka dots, this one I'm definitely not going to be covering at all because I absolutely love this with the orangish yellow polka dots. This is just awesome. So again, I got all of these Bibles for less than $50, and I'm super excited to get started with these. I will leave the link to Christian Book and some of these Bibles that I actually purchased there. I'll leave those in the comments, and let me know again if you have covers that you like or favorite Etsy shop owners, and I will be sure to share what I'm doing with each of these. So thanks so much for joining me. Bye.